When he got there, remember that he wanted to put his sock in his bedroom. And when he got there, he put his sock away. Then he made his bed and cleaned his windows. He started to pick up his clothes and toys, but he heard something in the living room. Boom! Oh no! I forgot to turn off the vacuum cleaner, Danny yelled. He go to the bedroom and took the sock away. And he picked up the toys and the clothes. But he heard something in the living room. And I forgot to turn off. Se me olvidó apagar the vacuum cleaner. Okay? He shoved his clothes and toys in the closet and ran to the living room. Look, push the door. Okay? The closet. There was dust and dog food everywhere. Dust, polvo, and dog food everywhere. The vacuum cleaning was exploded. Look, bah! Then he noticed something is on the floor. Bubbles. How strange it sounds. Bubbles, look, bubbles, bubbles. He went to the kitchen and he saw that there were bubbles everywhere. Look, everywhere. Daniel forgot to turn off the water. Otra vez se le olvidó turn off the water. Look the water. I have to mop on the floor, he thought. Just then, he heard something at the door. What happened? Daniel, wait for me. Daniel, I'm home. The mom, Daniel, I'm home. His mother said. She entered the living room and saw the mess. She went to the kitchen and saw the mess there too. Look, oh my God. Angry, she asked, what happened? I started to wash the dishes, but I forgot to turn off the water. Then I forgot about the vacuum cleaner. He explained. Ya se le olvidó cerrar la llave, apagar la aspiradora. She went to his room. Well, at least you clean in here. Did you clean the closet too? She asked. And she opened the closet. And the mother opened the closet door. Then yelled, wait, Mom, don't. But it's too late. She opened the closet and crash. The floor was covered with toys and clothes. Okay, Daniel. Wait, espera. Pero demasiado tarde. Look, the floor, yes, was covered with toys and clothes.